Hey everyone, this is Matt from drawingtutorialsonline.com. We're here at the School of Visual Arts. We have another sketchbook video. Diyan is our student, and Diyan is super shy. But this sketchbook is really super incredible, and you've got to check it out. Diyan, how are you?
Hi, awesome.
And where are you from?
China, Shanghai.
Wow, from Shanghai. Okay, and how did you learn how to draw like so good at such a young age? Did you have a really good teacher?
No, it's because in my junior high school or high school, most of the time I didn't have any electrical devices.
Yes.
So I put all my times to reading and drawing.
Wow, awesome. All right, let's start flipping through your sketchbook. And I won't ask you too many questions. We'll just really enjoy your drawings. And so this is early back in September. And so this drawing, how long does something like that take you?
Which one? Maybe 1 hour.
1 hour. And what about the bird?
Oh, the bird, maybe 30 minutes.
Wow, beautiful. And what pencil do you use?
Actually,
Mechanical pencil. Okay. And this page, how long does this page take you?
I don't know, because I always drawing when I watching movies or TV shows. So Diyan mentioned there, I don't know if you heard on YouTube, just drawing while watching movies and just getting lost, using a mechanical pencil. These are just just quick sketches and just time out. Very beautiful. Some homework drawings. Hold on now, look at that. That's gorgeous. Wow. Really nice. Oh. And is this out of your imagination? Yes.
You're kidding me. Wow. That's so good. Some warm-up stuff. Homework. Beautiful. Beautiful job. Just your own drawings out of your imagination. And some value studies. Good. You're really good with line and value. Some more homework with values. Excellent. Oh, these are really nice. Okay, this page, you don't know how long it took you, but let's just say it took you a long time. Wow. Oh God, look at the fabric and all that. Gorgeous. Hold on. Really super duper pretty. More homework stuff. I appreciate that. Drawing from some photos for homework online. A really nice job. And these eyes, the way that you draw them, the characters there. Whoa. Why weren't you a student when I was a student? I could have sat next to you and learned how to draw. Really nice job. More warm-up stuff. Do you like the warm-up or no?
Yeah, I like the warm-up.
Good. Whoa. Very nice. Self-portrait. Good job. Oh wow, timeout. Really incredible. And turning and switching gears and doing something a little bit more traditional. Good. Okay, timeout. I'm just gonna move this a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Okay, good. Nice. Some opposite C's in the classroom with a little bit of anatomy, how to draw hands, and some fun stuff at home, and some more characters. Excellent. How to draw feet. Oh boy. I like the red, how you shaded like that. You're using shape and line. Very nice. You draw so tiny too. Oh, this is a great fun page. Wow. Nice. Gosh. This has to take you like so long. So good. You're good at flipping. You're very good at flipping. Are your thumbs hurting you yet? Oh my God, seriously? Good job. So you didn't have any devices in high school. And so you spent a lot of time reading, studying, and drawing. Very nice. Oh, this was the figure in perspective. That's an incredible homework drawing. Really good. Whoa. Nice knee, by the way. Hold on now, hold on. This is really beautiful. Did you look at a lot of anime books when you were younger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe a lot of animation because my dad always watching cartoon or animation.
Oh, your dad was watching a lot of animation, and so you were influenced.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, hold on. Gorgeous. So you probably have like a photographic memory. Are some of these characters from some of the animations that you've watched?
Yeah, and some are from movie.
Yeah, wow, that's one of my favorite pages. Wow. Oh, I love that. Really expressive movement. Costume hat, okay, yep. Crazy. Did you have a hard time finishing the sketchbook?
Oh, at first I thought it would be hard for me because I just but I finished it.
Yes, you did, and that's a big accomplishment.
Yeah.
And not only did you finish it, but you created a beautiful work of art here. Really top-notch drawings in here, and you've gotten so much better with everything. Oh, this is another one of my favorites. Wow. So nice. Oh, that is really fun. Oh my goodness. I like how you're integrating these shapes. Good job. Movement and everything. Wow. I'm just letting Diyan flip. That's all. We're just going fast here for you. Just to show you here what other people are doing with their time. Hold on, this one's another one of my absolute favorites. That is so good. So most of these are with the mechanical pencil and pen.
Yes.
Yeah.
These are pens.
That one's all pen. Unbelievable. Did you like the museum?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is from the Museum of Natural History. It's very distracting in there, and you actually took the time to do these drawings, so I really appreciate that. Wow. What was your favorite part of the museum? The dinosaurs or?
The impala. That's all.
All right, Diyan, oh my God, you're so talented. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right, YouTube, thank you so much for watching that incredible YouTube. Please give Diyan a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel, and we will talk to you soon.